तू चलता चल, तू चलता चल, तू चलता चल, तू बढ़ता.
In your book, you said that shouting shows insecurity. But why do some shouting candidates get screened in while the gentleman gets screened out? Okay. This is an interesting question, and I will give you an answer. And this is a good thing for all of you to note. In No Frills Academy, we do not discuss other candidates, why somebody got screened and why somebody got selected. The reason is simple, that you have been exposed to some facets of that person. You do not have an absolutely total picture as would be created for the assessors when they meet in the conference, and they have got inputs of the other two assessors also. Then they have a comprehensive picture, and only then decisions are taken to select or reject a candidate. So you don't have that knowledge. And I do not have a video recording of the screening process, which I am only getting your version of it. So that is why I say that there is no point in getting into these things. It is not going to help you to discuss other people. And like I have already said even earlier, the screening process is not a very scientific process. Mistakes do take place. I myself remember Aditya Pundir hai, Twinkle hai, they have got screened out who should not have been screened out. Fine. So, when somebody, naturally they will feel somebody got screened in. So, don't get bothered. You look for, what is in your hands and focus on that. That's the essence of being proactive, Don't get bothered कि दूसरे का result क्यों कैसे हुआ. Because it's not going to help you in any case. Getting my point? Why is preparing for a government job not considered as a responsible act by an SSB assessor? Definitely Nehru. SSB assessor का सबका पता नहीं है मुझे. Even if the candidate wants to start his career in the government sector. See, I will tell you there is a reason to this. There is a background. It is particularly relevant in and around my, western UP Haryana belt. जिसके पास गन्ने की खेती होती है ना, 20 बीघा, गन्ना चन्ना एंड ऑल दैट, तो वो बाप को लगाते हैं चूना और वो सरकारी इम्तिहान की तैयारी करते हैं. उन्हें कोई IAS वाईएएस कुछ नहीं बनना है, कोई जॉब नहीं उनको मिलता है. फाइन. So they are getting used to wasting time, and often parents also promote this, because we have a problem with my generation or generation which is little younger to me, because most of your parents are younger to me in age. They feel, हमने बड़ी हार्डशिप देखी अपनी जिंदगी में और हमारे बच्चों को बड़ा अब चैन की जिंदगी जीने के लिए हमें तैयार करना है. उससे कोई उनका बच्चों का भला नहीं होता है. Actually, they are harming their children by making them soft, because only once they go through the tough grind of life, that they improve. Fine. So this is my view. If somebody is actually working with absolute sincerity without wasting any time for any exam which he is desirous of pursuing, there is just no problem. But 95% of the time, these people who are doing this sarkari imtihan ki taiyari, they are wasting their times and wasting the hard-earned money of their parents. In some cases, may not be hard-earned, but they are definitely wasting their time and money. Fine. This is the reason I have. We do not have a male lead in PPDT. Then do I need to invent him? No, please don't do it. Absolutely no. Whatever the picture, what are the characters shown, pick up one main character. Generally the character is quite obvious as the main character in the picture. Take him or her as the main character and build the story around that person. Do not plant characters from outside. These are the techniques of coaching academies. Don't do it. Yeah, Anjali, go ahead.
So like if we are confident about something, so is it fine to tell little lie in that thing? Like if if we know that we are able to justify what we are saying, so is it fine to
No, वही तो मेरे को हवलदार कर रहा था ना बोफर्स में। उसने कहा यार ये इन्फेंट्री वाला है, उसने मेरा बैकग्राउंड चेक किया, वो बोले इसको क्या पता होगा, तो वो गोली दे रहा था। बट I just allowed him to pass off because generally वो बंदा ठीक ठाक था। But this smart act, I could have penalized him for it.
No, like sir, I'll tell you. Just say suppose these days I'm not working. I'm just preparing. So if I want to say that I was doing some part-time work that I already did, I have a knowledge of that. I already did that thing. So is it okay to say that, or like it's not good?
You be honest
Have
and
a good understanding of that.
whatever has transpired in your life, you state that without any hesitation. There is no problem at all. It's a good thing.
But sir, it's okay to change the timing of that thing. Like I was doing that in my weekday days, but if I want to add it, like I was doing in this free time, like when I was preparing, so along with that. So, like I know if I say that, I will be able to justify it. But I want to ask, is it good to say or not?
You tell the truth because you think that you don't have to start justifying things to interviewing officer. That's the problem most of you people have. If a thing is justifiable to you, that's why you did it. You just tell him to, like a story. He feels that oh ये तो बहुत गलत काम किया, तो well you say that may be your view.
Got it.
Fine.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
I have a question on the 10th question which you 9th question sir, जो job वाली बात थी ना sir.
हाँ.
Like sir, I am doing a part-time job and preparing for the other exams. So it is good or not, sir? I am a like sir पूरा individual blue sir.
You see, I would have discussed your case with you individually. Did we discuss or not?
Yes sir, we discussed sir.
तो फिर डाउट में क्यों आ रहा हो? एक बताया ना आपको, मैंने कुछ बताया होगा, वो that's good enough.
Yes sir, आपने बोला था कि आप कर सकते हो चीज कंटिन्यू.
हाँ तो fine. Then why get into self doubt?
Yes sir.
Why question and re-question?
Yes sir.
हाँ.
And एक और क्वेश्चन है सर, वन ऑफ माय जूनियर
Yes.
उसने ये एक स्टोरी डाली थी कि इंट्रोस्पेक्शन कैसे करें, तो मैंने उसको बोला कि एनएफए ज्वाइन करो, देन कर्नल नेहरू सर को छोड़ दो करके. देन उसने ये चीज बोली सर, हाउ कैन आई ट्रस्ट हिम सर करके, मुझे ये पूछो.
नहीं, his point is valid.
यस सर.
क्योंकि आज की डेट में प्रधानमंत्री को ही आप ट्रस्ट नहीं कर सकते, तो मैं तो बहुत ही छोटा आदमी हूँ. ये तो एब्सोल्युटली वैलिड क्वेश्चन. ठीक है ना? तो यू से नहीं भाई देखो यार, देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स दैट लॉयर, डॉक्टर एंड एजुकेशनिस्ट, इन सम ऑफ द केसेस वी कॉल इट फिड्यूशियरी रिलेशनशिप. इट इज अ रिलेशनशिप ऑफ ट्रस्ट. यू हैव टू. अब डॉक्टर को भी ट्रस्ट करते ही हो ना आप.
यस सर.
करना पड़ता है, तो चॉइस नहीं है.
यस सर.
अब आप खुद ट्रीटमेंट नहीं कर सकते, क्या करोगे?
ट्रस्ट करना पड़ेगा सर.
वो ना, तो उसे एक कहो कि मजबूरी है.
Like ask your friend, watch Colonel Nehru's channel. He will himself get motivated to join NFA, because this is what I did. Like no one suggests me to join this. One of my friends just asked me to follow the page, and I follow the page, then YouTube videos, then it itself comes within me if I have to join.
Yeah, Anjali, your point is absolutely valid. In fact, this reminds me, I have had some of my friends whose children joined me, and I always told them that please, let your child decide on his own whether he wants to, get guidance from me or not. Because otherwise, I have had, like one odd cases where the child did enroll for my guidance, but he felt that what I am trying to do is actually conveying the thoughts of his father or mother to the child indirectly. Because they said कि ये तो एक फॉर्मल वो है, इनके थ्रू हम अपना इसको माउथ पीस बना के अपनी बात इससे कहलवा देंगे और ये मान लेगा. वो नहीं मानते हैं फिर. And they come with this mind, doubt. Question उनके दिमाग में रहता है. Voluntarily when they come, then they are, better inclined to undergo my guidance. एक मेरा दोस्त का बहुत क्लोज, मेरे अच्छे दोस्त हैं यार, हम स्टेडियम में रनिंग करते थे बचपन से. His son was quite fit to clear NDA. वो इसलिए ही NDA में सेलेक्ट नहीं हो पाया. He joined merchant navy later on. Primary reason he admitted to me. मैंने उससे फीस नहीं ली थी. वो मेरा क्लोज दोस्त था. मैंने कहा नहीं यार इससे क्या लेना है. मैंने बोला बेटा तेरे से अगर मैंने फीस ली होती शायद तू रेकमेंड हो जाता. बोला सर आप बिल्कुल ठीक बोल रहे हो. You know, because he didn't value. He said तो अपने घर के दोस्त हैं. He took me casually. So these issues are there, you know, Himachal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. तो उसको डिसीजन खुद लेने दो यार. उसको बोलो भाई देखो ये है, मैं ले रहा हूँ, मुझे ठीक लगता है, आप खुद डिसाइड कर लो.
मैंने बोला सर ये.
हाँ बोलो क्यों. ट्रस्ट करने का तो मतलब पहले वो आपको ट्रस्ट करे फिर उसके थ्रू मेरे को भी ट्रस्ट करे. वेरी डिफिकल्ट यार.
यस सर.
हाँ वैसे ही ट्रस्ट का तो बहुत ही डेफिसिट है पूरे देश में ही. And I don't claim to be a very trustworthy. मैं नहीं करूँगा क्लेम भाई. कुछ चेक करके देख लो.
ओके सर. एक और क्वेश्चन है सर. अभी भी आपने वो जो सिविल इंजीनियर वाले हमारे जो दोस्त है उसने बोला कि उनका क्लियर नहीं है. मेरा भी उतना क्लियर नहीं सर मैकेनिकल में. तो सर ये
मैं बता रहा हिंदुस्तान में नहीं है भाई क्लियर.
तो सर ये सर जो कॉर्पोरेट के लिए उसके लिए तो ठीक है सर उतना क्लियर नहीं है. बट सर एसएसबी कोर नॉलेज होना एक इम्पोर्टेंट है जैसे कि आप बोलते हैं.
See, thing
तो
is that
टाइम देना चाहिए कि नहीं देना चाहिए सर.
हिमाचल
आपने पहले बोला है कि टाइम देना है करके. बट अब ये फिर से कंफ्यूजन आया है सर.
I will tell you. See, this is a good question. Please, all of you, pay attention. See, once again, go back to the case of Ajay Singh Rajpurohit. He will keep referring to me as a test case. That's why I put his case also in the book. You see, he did not know mechanical engineering, nor does he know now also. And it was very difficult for him to start knowing things which he did not learn in 6 years. अभी वो सडनली कहाँ से मोटिवेशन ले आया वो सीखने के लिए. Ideally, a person when he does study anything, he should get clarity. होना ही चाहिए. मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर तो पता होना चाहिए अपने जॉब के बारे में. जॉन से भी आपने पढ़ाई की, you should know about it. But the problem here is of the society. You see, thing is that interviewing officers are faced with this problem कि हिंदुस्तान में सारे ही ऐसे आ रहे हैं ना. उनको पता नहीं है तो वो कहते हैं चलो यार एटलीस्ट ये बाद में अपना मतलब जब रेस्टोरेंट का जनरल मैनेजर था उसके बारे में तो जानता है तो भी टेक हिम. If probably our society was having students of a higher caliber where people had better understanding or clarity of their job, then probably such people wouldn't have got selected. तुम्हें एडवांटेज हिंदुस्तान का हाल बुरा होने की वजह से मिल रही है.
सर बिकॉज़ कॉलेज में उतना ठीक से नहीं पढ़ाया गया सर. जितना पढ़ाया गया उतना समझ आया सर.
तो ना एडवांटेज तुम्हें इसलिए मिल रही है कि जो तुम्हारे साथ वहां के बैठे हैं ना उनको भी नहीं पता है.
यस सर. एंड वन मोर थिंग सर. मेरे को इंजीनियरिंग के बारे में उतना नहीं पता सर. बाकी मैं जितने जॉब्स करता हूँ उसके बारे में मुझे ए टू जेड पूरी सारी चीजें पता है सर.
चलो दैट इज गुड. बट नाउ एट लीस्ट फ्रॉम नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स whatever you read and you do, understand with clarity.